Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Saturday, July 29. Time is around 8:40 GMT, and we will have a look at the NASDAQ futures on the Oanda platform. So today is Saturday, markets are closed, but during the weekend I always analyze the higher time frame, the weekly, the daily, to prepare the trading week and also for investors. And so here we are looking at the weekly chart of the Nasdaq, and my take on the Nasdaq is that we finished here a higher degree wave 1, that we then pulled back as a wave 2, and that we are now ready for more upside, that we are currently working here on this wave 1, which is then part of the higher degree wave 3 here. So yeah, this is my bullish view on the Nasdaq. However, there's also an alternative scenario possible, like that would then be the bearish scenario, and the bearish scenario would be that this corrective structure here as a wave 2 is not over yet. As you can see, we did not retrace to the 0.5 FIB level. Normally, this is the minimum requirement for wave 2, or we should go into this area. This did not happen for the Nasdaq. So if I have to give you a bearish scenario, it would be that this here is just a wave B, so that we are doing something like this: wave A, B, and then C to the downside. Like this would be the bearish scenario, but yeah, for now it does not really make sense to take this as my primary scenario. Or low is or wave 2 low is here, current price action is here, so it makes more sense to assume the bullish scenario, or take the bullish scenario as my primary scenario. However, it is something that we cannot exclude. This is still possible in terms of Elliott wave. Now, if we then zoom in at the daily, so I think this here is an interesting chart, in the sense that so I was looking for or I was kind of predicting this top here, or I was looking for a pullback from here, and this is what we have started this week. Yesterday we had again a push up, so we will have to see how this further develops next week. But I would say, like, if we break this trend line here, then this is for me the wave 4, which is ongoing. This is a typical pattern. Like then we would have our wave 3 here, the highest RSI reading, as you can see. Then we should have a wave 4, break this trend line, and then we go up again and make a wave 5 with RSI divergence. And then it would mean that this wave 1 here is in. Now, if I refer back to the bearish scenario I showed you on the weekly, like, then it could be that that this here is our C wave, actually, so that we have an A, B, extended wave C, and a wave C does not end with divergence, or I mean, this corrective structure then does not end with divergence, because it's in 3 waves. So I cannot make this my primary scenario, but this is also something to consider. So then this would be the higher degree wave A, then this has to be a wave B, then we should make a wave C back into the wave 2 area. So if this is a B, then this has to be a corrective structure, and the corrective structure would then be A, B, C, and we end here without divergence, 3 waves. So that's also something I share with you, but it's not my primary scenario. Then let's have a look at the 4-hour. So in case our wave, maybe let me hide this so we do not have too much information on this chart. So yeah, if this here is our top, so if this here is a wave, the end of our wave 3, then then we know the area where our wave 4 should go. Like we take the length of our wave 3, so the start of our wave 3, which is the end of wave 2, and here our current high we have. Then this wave 4 should go into this area here between the 0.146 and the 0.618 FIB retracement. So yeah, we have to see how this further develops. Here can be that we only have a very shallow retracement as a wave 4. Can be that we go deeper. Can also be that this was not the end of this wave 3 yet, that we see more upside, like then it would be something like 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have a wave 4, but of a lower degree, and then a fifth wave here, and then we are finished here. So that's definitely something that is possible. But for now, I believe the high was in here. So what's the conclusion of all this? Traders, next week we'll analyze the lower time frame, the 1 hour, the 15 minutes, to see how exactly we can trade this. I believe there are some opportunities, but let's have a look to this in more detail on Monday. And for investors, I believe we are rather in an area to take profit. So I would only buy again if we really have a clear pullback, like if you take partial profits here, and if we have a wave for pullback, like a good pullback into this area, this might be again a buying area for your final wave 5. I don't really like buying the wave 4s because like upside is limited in this in the wave 5, and I mean, like if you have 3 waves, it can be enough. Like if I can refer back to the bearish scenario, like 1, 2, 3, this can be enough. This can be your the ends, like as an ABC, and that we go down again from here. So that's why I find buying a wave 4 a bit risky. But like if you had a good run, then if you already have some good profits, then I would do it. Okay, so that's my analysis for today, the higher time frame. I will see you back on Monday for a video on the lower time frame, the 1 hour, the 15 minute. Thank you for watching and have a nice weekend. Bye bye.